Dinex has more than 20 production and sales companies worldwide. It's a continuous optimization process, having all 2,000 employees working in the same systems and using the same processes. In Dinex, we are striving for working as one. That means one set of numbers, one system approach, one set of processes. We want one truth.
As a global company, our number one priority is to provide best-in-class service for our local companies. Therefore, it's important for us to have a one-system approach. As an IT organization, our goal is to support the business, but also to keep our application portfolio as slim as possible. Therefore, we always evaluate our current portfolio before we implement new solutions. This is how we in IT support working as one in Dinex.
It is very important that Dinex can make data-driven decisions based on valid data. That is why we work with data models from the same central and global data source in all our companies. So we can present a management tool with one set of numbers that gives us one truth, and thereby we can make the right decisions.
We are an international company and we have several colleagues all over the world from different cultures. Our goal is to collect all the differences together, find the best way and create standard operating procedures. And then perform the trainings and also audits, both for administrative and also operational processes. This is how we support working as one company.
Digitalization is a significant part of our strategy plan in Dinex. It's a continuous process, digitalizing and optimizing best practice, and this is beneficial for all, both internally and externally. We are striving for working as one company.